Let's face it, keeping your kids safe online isn't easy these days. With so much happening on their phones, texting, social media, and even gaming, it can be tough to know what's really going on or even who they're talking to. That's where mSpy comes in. In this video, we're diving into why parents love mSpy and how it can help keep your kids safe in today's digital world. So, if you've been feeling worried about your child's online safety, this might be exactly what you need. And we're getting started right now. Alright, so first up, what exactly is mSpy? Well, it's a powerful monitoring app that helps parents track their child's online activity in a way that's effective, discreet, and super easy to use. And here's what it can do. 1. It can monitor social media, so it lets you keep an eye on apps like Snapchat, Instagram, and TikTok to see who they're talking to and what they're sharing. 2. It can track texts and calls. This means you can review their messages and call logs to make sure they're not communicating with strangers or engaging in harmful conversations. 3. It can provide GPS tracking, so you'll always know where your child is in real time, giving you that extra peace of mind. 4. It can monitor websites and apps. This helps you check which sites they're visiting and which apps they're using, so you can spot any potential risks early on. It's basically like having a digital safety net that keeps your child protected while giving you the tools to step in when necessary. Alright, let's move on and talk about why so many parents rely on mSpy to keep their kids safe. 1. Peace of mind. I mean, who doesn't want a little peace of mind, right? Knowing what's happening in your child's digital world can make all the difference, and well, it just helps you feel more in control. 2nd, cyberbullying prevention. Cyberbullying is a huge issue these days, and mSpy gives you the chance to spot any red flags early, so you can step in and handle the situation before it gets worse. 3, protection from online predators. This one's a big deal. Predators are unfortunately a real concern, but mSpy makes it easier to identify suspicious activity or conversations so you can protect your child. 4. Real-time location tracking. Whether your child is at school, a friend's house, or somewhere else, mSpy keeps you updated on their location, so if something doesn't add up, you'll know right away. 5. Encouraging better online habits. Kids are more likely to think twice about their online choices when they know their activities are being monitored. So, mSpy isn't just about watching, it's also about teaching safer habits. So, how easy is mSpy to use? Now, one of the great things about mSpy in my opinion is how simple it is to set up and start using. It can be up and ready in just 3 simple steps. 1. Install the app. It only takes a few minutes to download and install mSpy on your child's device. 2. Set up your dashboard. So, the dashboard is where you'll see all their activity. It's clean, easy to navigate, and gives you everything you need in one place. And 3. Start monitoring. Once you're set up, you'll have access to all the information in real time without interrupting your child's routine. So, is mSpy right for your family? Well, if you're a parent looking for a practical way to keep your kids safe online, it's absolutely worth considering. It's designed to protect your kids while encouraging healthy online habits, and it gives you the tools to step in only when necessary. So it's not about spying, it's about creating a safer environment for them to explore the digital world. Ready to get started? Well, if you're ready to take control of your child's online safety, check out the discount link in the description or pinned comment to learn more about mSpy and get started today. And let us know in the comments, what's your biggest concern about your child's online activity? Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more tips on keeping your family safe in the digital age. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.